R version 4 in your computer. So has everyone got the R version? Please say yes in the chat, because now we will go to download the RStudio. Actually, RStudio is a layer on top of R. So how do we download RStudio? We have to scroll down to installer for supported platform near the bottom of the page. We have here, we click on the download link corresponding to your computer's operating system. We are Windows users, so we click on download RStudio for Windows. And then we will have the executable for RStudio. Once we have the executable for RStudio, so we will have to follow the RStudio setup. So we click on next, then next, install. We let the RStudio, so we will have a window saying that RStudio is being installed. And then finish. So congratulations, guys. I hope you could install R and RStudio in your computer. So please tell us if it's okay or no, so we can move and open RStudio and let you see the functionalities of R and RStudio. So Mouna, has everyone installed R and RStudio?
As I know, everyone is succeeded to install R and RStudio, but people who have not installed R or RStudio may work with us using RStudio Cloud. It's just a link, you have to open it and just follow us as we will do later. Now, just you need the link for RStudio Cloud to follow us.
Okay, can you please, Mouna, send them the link to RStudio Cloud so they can follow us?
Yes, yes, Nermine will do that now, yes.
Okay. So if you have installed R and RStudio, you will get an interface like that. Here we are showing the RStudio Cloud, but actually it's the same interface as the one you get with RStudio. So actually the screen is basically divided in 4 different places. We have the console, which is the body of R. So here is where you type your R code and it shows you the outputs. We have the script here tab where if we want, for example, to save our script or we are interested in editing it or perfectioning it, for example, after 1 day or 1 week and save it. So as a .r format, so we have to write our code here in the source tab. We have here the environment and history tab. So the environment stores all the objects, functions, and data structures. Down, we have the files, plots, packages, and help tab. So in the files browser here, so it shows us the files and folders you have in your workspace. We will see this when we will do a demo in the RStudio Cloud. We will show you the demo of that. And then here, so in plots, you will see the plots you have generated running your code. So you have here the packages tab where you have listed all the packages you already installed. Actually, you can install and update packages from here. And then whenever you have an issue or you are looking for help, so please go there. There is a help tab, and then you can, for example, get rid of your issue by reading and asking help for your issue actually. So can we move on to the demo in the RStudio Cloud? So I will stop sharing and I will move to the workspace of RStudio Cloud now.
Yes, Hédia, you may start working on RStudio Cloud as we share the link with the people.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's start. Let's enjoy R. So R at its basic level is just a calculator. For example, let's say we want to check 2 plus 2, the result of 2 plus 2. So please, we have to go to the console and then please type 2 plus 2 to see the result. So how could you see the result? You have just to hit enter for that. So we have, you write 2 plus 2 and then hit enter. So you will get your result here. Okay. So the problem of the console is that once you close and exit R, you won't see this result anymore. So one of the way of storing this result is by creating an object. Let's create an object called A. So in R, we have to use an assignment operator. For that, we have to use Alt minus. So this is the assignment operator in R. And then let's put 2 plus 2 here. So whenever we are here in the script tab, we can actually run by clicking on run. So in the global environment, we will see our object and its value, the result, which is 4. Okay. So what R is telling us here? R is telling us that it's taking this value, the result of this operation, and assigning it to an object called A. So our results will be stored